Hello, everybody. All right, today we're going to do a couple of little things to the boat. It's been a while. We still have the back of the transom to repair. We got to pull the plywood off of that. But yeah, today we're going to do some, simple things?
Yep.
Pull off some stuff just to get rid of them, get them out of the way. And that's it. All right, let's get to it. If you want, you could start doing things like, see, like the cup holder.
Yeah.
All those can come off. Take those screws out.
They're screwed in somewhere else, too.
Right there and there.
There we go.
There you go. That's one. All right. You could, put that there. All right. What's the next thing you want to do?
I mean, this wood doesn't seem to be in that bad of shape, though.
No.
But I'm already
It's just, you know what? It's not part of the boat, so let's get rid of it.
Why we just want the part at all? So we just want the shell?
Well, I want to get rid of stuff that we don't need, that I'm not going to use on the boat. Push it on. Yeah, push it on there. You got it. Push.
She keeps...
Yep.
Yeah,
push it. Hold it. You got to hold it. All right, hold on. Just got to hold it. Hold it straight. Push the drill on. The gun. Good. All right. Hold it. There you go. Just like that. You got to hold it straight. Good. That's good. I'll do the other one. You use two hands to hold it on there.
This is like the most cramped.
Yeah, it's life.
I could see. Ow!
What'd you do?
Like, just like
Jamming yourself?
Something sharp again.
Turn it sideways like you had. Yep, like that. Good. There you go. Good. Okay, there's one on the other side you can take off.
It does?
Yeah.
So why is it on a boat?
I don't know. Just people do weird stuff.
Daddy, I didn't need to unscrew it.
All right, we'll get the other side. There's two on the other side, right? There you go. Got it.
It's a long screw.
Yes, they are.
They're hot, too.
Good. Yeah, take that way. You can come around. You can do these for the windshield. All right. So
we're going to take off the windshield today.
Yeah. So summer.
What are you going to call this episode?
I don't know.
Like taking off garbage?
Yep, and put everything in the bag here.
You should live stream this stuff.
Live stream?
Yeah. People donate a lot on live streams.
They do?
Yeah, I've seen it. Like, oh, well, you gonna use these screws?
Well, I might. Doesn't hurt to save them.
They don't see that they don't look like they're rusted.
Yeah, so some of these need a wrench. So what I'll do, let me go get some wrenches, okay?
Yeah. Yep, got it out.
Good. The screwdriver,
yeah,
got it?
It does.
Yeah, some of the ones on the windshield, I got to put a wrench behind it, okay?
Okay. Ooh, I can unscrew that. I need to do that. Oh, what do you know? Do you want me to unscrew that stuff?
What's that?
It connects this pole. There's screws.
Don't worry about that right now.
Okay.
So that's the one I got to get a wrench underneath, so hold on.
This screw is not unscrewing.
Yeah, hold on a second, bud. Yeah, that's why I got to get a wrench on it, so hold on.
Why? What's down there?
There's a nut on the other side.
Yeah, that's why.
That's why.
It just turned.
Yeah. There you go.
Oh, I'm going the wrong way.
Well, then go a different way.
Yep, it's unloosening.
Okay.
You should probably talk to your audience.
Why should I talk to them?
Like,
do you think
explain why you're crouching under here?
Oh, because there's a nut on the other side of the screw.
Well, you have to. I know why you are.
Oh.
Tell them.
Well, I'm on the mic right now.
Oh. But isn't it in fast? It's going to be sped up?
I mean, I could tell them. Yeah, I could tell them now, I guess, or later.
Tell them now.
Oh, I'm telling them now. Are you going to unscrew that or what?
It's very weird.
Probably because it's bent.
It is bent.
Let me see something. Oh, it's almost out, though. Hold on. All right, that one's done. All right, so there's one next to it on the other side.
There is?
Like this, go that way. Look along the next one.
Oh, yeah, I see. Oh, got it.
Got it? Good. And you do the same for the other one.
Yep.
Yeah.
It's very. Ah, no, I can't do that
Can't do that
anymore.
one?
No, I don't. Wait, let me see.
Oh, hold on a second. Try again. Oh, you're getting it going. It's hard, but it'll go.
Yeah, I'll try holding the wrench.
Okay.
Well, yeah, I don't want it to fall.
Yeah, well, it won't fall on you.
It's on.
Okay, just stay there. Did it
Came
come off?
off.
Nice. There you go.
What?
Got it. You can come out.
Sometimes what people do is when they hit like their certain sub goal, they'll give like their first subscriber a certain amount of money, or
yeah, I don't even know how I would
they'll
find that
give them
out.
a shout out or something, you know.
Yeah.
This thing.
Got
Got it.
Okay.
Where do you want me to put this?
Throw it out. It's not going to get used again. This probably never works. Not worried about it. There you go. Got it. Keep push down on it.
Let's get do this one.
Yep. There you go. Go. There you go. Got it. Nice. Get that other one.
That one's still in.
Yeah, just push down on it hard and that's it. There you go. There you go. That's it.
Dad, you're not gonna sell this boat, right?
What's that?
You're not gonna sell this boat, right?
I don't know.
Because if you are, I'm getting a fraction of the money.
Oh, are you?
Yes.
A fraction of the money.
Yes. Like, at least 35%.
35%?
Yeah. That's a nice compass. Dad, this might be the only nice thing in this boat.
It might be.
That's a nice compass.
It's a nice compass.
This is the compass appreciation corner.
Okay, hold on a second. Let's see what time it is.
Alright, where do you want me to put this?
Garbage. So violent.
I like breaking stuff.
There's another cup holder. Oh wait, look, more cup holders. Take
oh my god.
Yeah, go around the other side.
This is like a two-person boat.
Yeah, I don't understand why there's so many.
15.
I understand.
There's another one right here.
Yeah, take them all off.
Oh my god.
Because they're gonna get in the way, and we're gonna have to clean everything off. And I don't want them there.
Why is there so many cup holders?
I don't know. There you go. Good. Do the next one down. Good. Pull it off. Oh, hold on. I'm holding it. All right, go.
Just let me move this chair.
There you go.
Sit down on.
Oh, sit down on it. Good. There you go. Pull it off. You know, you can throw those all in the garbage pile. So we got everything off that.
Outro time.
What?
Outro time.
Outro time?
Yep.
What are we going to say for the outro? Should we sit down?
Yeah, sit down again.
Make sure I got it. So what are we going to say for the outro?
I don't know. Also, when are we going to add cushions back to these seats if we even are?
It doesn't even go anywhere.
Oh, yeah.
You can sit like this in it all the time.
We could.
What's the outro?
What do you usually do for the outro?
What do you want to do for the outro?
I don't know.
You could say the outro. What did we do today?
I don't know.
What did we take? What do you mean you don't know what we did?
We took off 15
you don't
cup
have to
holders.
Speak into it. It's just good. What?
We took off 15 cup holders.
I don't think it was 15. It was probably 8. It seemed like
8 with the
maybe 6. I don't know.
We took up all the useless garbage.
All the useless garbage, right? All the old electronics, they came off. What else? That's it, right?
Yep, that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
You said I don't like talking.
We just said it.
Oh.
You don't. All right, everyone. So that's it. It was a quick and easy one today. Just pulling off some stuff we don't need. just to get a little bit of work done. Next time, I got the scraper blades and a bunch of other tools to get all the wood out of the transom. I think I might get a little canopy too for the back
Please do.
because it's hot.
Also,
I don't feel like
you
working
need
in the
one
sun.
over here. Too.
Yeah, I'm not worried about that until this thing moves.
Yeah.
It's not moving anytime soon.
I don't think it's ever gonna move.
It probably won't never move.
We're probably gonna end up selling it, but maybe not.
No, I don't know. I don't know. Maybe not. I think maybe by the end of the
We
summer.
should do a challenge like, oh, we go onto the water and see how long it takes for us to drown on this boat.
Well, I don't want to drown, but it could sink. We could see how long it's gonna
We'll
take
bring
to
like
sink.
a tiny little lifeboat.
Yeah.
Do that.
Yeah, I mean, I guess so. All right, everyone. I think that's it.
We should do like 24-hour challenge in the Bermuda Triangle with this thing.
Yeah, well, we gotta.
Or like in the rapids.
If we go to the
like
Bermuda
that.
Triangle, I'm never coming back. I'm staying in the Bahamas, wherever it is.
Yeah, we're going. No, we should go to the rapids. We're gonna.
Oh, whitewater rafting with this?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think it'll fare very well, but maybe. Maybe. All right, everyone. Have a great day. Bye.